What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I want to talk about one potential hidden gem altcoin, which I really think is going to do well this bull market. That altcoin is Algorand. Now, Algorand has pretty much been under the radar for some people for quite a while now. However, they're actually introducing some really interesting stuff, and it's definitely piqued my attention and a lot of people's attention as well. So in today's video, I want to talk about Algorand, what potential gains you could make this bull market, and also I want to talk about their staking rewards because they've got some really cool features going on right now, which makes it pretty much a no-brainer to start staking. So as you know, the coin price, as we've talked about previously, is at a really good entry point right here, not only for holding and long-term accumulation, but also if you're buying in at these prices and staking as well, it's literally you're double dipping, you're getting the best of both worlds, because right now it's in a great accumulation stage because of the recent market correction. So basically, why would you want to go ahead and stake Algorand or buy Algorand? I want to talk to you a little bit about that, because over the past few years, Algorand has been building and developing so many different things, and it's got such a great ecosystem now that probably some of you don't even know what comprises of that ecosystem. So first of all, Algorand is an L1 blockchain. And as I told you, it's introducing staking and liquid staking. And a quick overview is it's basically pure proof of stake with 15K TPS, which is extremely good. It has almost instant transactions. And the main thing is it's got zero downtime since 2019, and it's got native Python for smart contracts. That basically means it's super simple for a dev to come over to Algorand and start building, because it's in their native language and they can just immediately start developing, which makes it very good for developers. So we can see right here, why is Algorand so good for developers? And one of the biggest things about choosing which coin to buy, which coin to stake, is will it have a community? Will the devs be going over there? And I really think they will be with Algorand because of this reason. So take a look at this right here. Enterprise blockchain products can be built 600% faster on Algorand versus Ethereum or other EVM chains. 600% faster is absolutely incredible. When we have such a fast and dynamic market like cryptocurrency, being able to develop and get new updates and new things out there much faster, 600% faster, is an incredible thing, and Algorand allows you to do that. Also, an experienced blockchain developer using Algorand Python could deliver in less than a month what a Solidity developer may need nearly a quarter to build, which is absolutely crazy because they're having really good development on Algorand. Also right here, we can see developing a blockchain that never goes down. This is one of the primary factors why a lot of people are not only buying Algorand, but also developing on Algorand as well, simply because other blockchains we can see right here, Bitcoin, Solana, HBAR, we can see many different ones, OP, we can see so many ones. Which blockchain DLT among the top 60 has never experienced network downtime or inaccessibility? We can see here there are a few that haven't, and Algorand, of course, is one of them, being right here. And again, the network can handle 10,000 TPS and has handled over 15,000 historically. And you may say that Algorand doesn't have the kind of demand that other blockchains like Bitcoin or Solana or anything like that has. So obviously, it's had no downtime. Well, that's not necessarily true, because right here we can see this exact image right here showing just how sustainable and how well Algorand runs. We can see here with over 10K TPS and a peak of 14,722. We can see right here on this top line, and this was back in 2022 right there. So we can see right there 14,700 in 2022. So if you're worried about that, the performance of Algorand in the bull market when so many people are using it and developers, and you're worried about the blockchain becoming congested and having downtime, it's not going to happen with Algorand, simply because we can see right here, back in 2022, this did not happen. They've got so many different features as well over on Algorand, which I want to talk about. So we can see right here, some of them there, and some of them down here in the bottom. We can see Lofty right there, which is a really cool platform. I've used it myself, the NASDAQ for real estate. It basically allows you to buy real estate for as little as $50. and you can sell it instantly. They've got really, really cool things. They've got also folks right here, which I'll talk a little bit about later with regards to the staking. Also, UNDP takes its blockchain academy global. So actually the United Nations Development Program expands its blockchain education globally, offering its training to 24,000 personnel worldwide from UNDP. And this is basically helping unlock blockchain skills for thousands of people across the world, which is absolutely amazing in collaboration with the Algorand Foundation. Also, Cointelegraph right here, Italian energy giant launches solar panel tokenization on Algorand. So they are doing a lot of things behind the scenes, guys. This is all ongoing once you are hopefully stacking your altcoins during the bear market and into the start of the bull market. So as you heard me mention during the start of the video, Algorand have staking, and the main thing which they're trying to get across is you can have your stake and you can eat it as well. And I think this is actually really, really cool. And before making the research for today's video, I wanted to kind of deep dive into Algorand and Algorand staking, because I'll be honest, it's not been on my radar in the past few months. And honestly, I'm very happy I'm making this video, because it's going to bring attention to it for you and also hopefully thousands of other people as well, because what they've got going on with this staking, specifically liquid staking, in my opinion, is really, really interesting. So what is liquid staking? You may not know what it is, and it basically enables you to stake it freely. So what does that mean? So liquid staking enables users to stake their cryptocurrency while receiving their tokens that can be used or traded elsewhere. So with Algorand introducing its new staking reward system, liquid staking services such as Folks Finance, Tinyman, Messina, or CompX, it offers token holders a way to earn rewards without locking up their tokens, offering liquid tokens in place of their algo so they can participate in the Algorand DeFi ecosystem. So you're allowed to stake your tokens and they're not locked. There's no kind of ties. You can stake them, unstake them, whatever you want to do. It's super flexible. And that's one of the main reasons why people did not, in fact, enjoy staking in the past, simply because of the harsh lockup periods. So we can see down here, unlike traditional staking, which locks tokens away, liquid staking keeps assets flexible and usable. Earn rewards from staking depending on the blockchain they are staking with, while the representative tokens can generate additional returns, requiring no technical knowledge or minimum amounts in many cases. So what does that mean in layman's terms? In a simple term, that basically means you're allowed to stake, it's not locked, and also you can compound interest in the staking or simply take the rewards from staking and apply it elsewhere. So we can go down here and see staking rewards have finally arrived on Algorand. Stake your algo to help secure the network and collect the rewards. Honestly, probably most people are just interested in collecting the rewards. Of course you are. And there was actually a interview, I may have it up on screen now or I may not, saying about how much Algorand could you earn in a year. So for example, if you were to stake around 100 Algorand, and of course it really depends on multiple different factors, but you should be able to get around 6 to 7 Algorand back per year. So that's a really, really good return in my opinion. And it says here, why stake on Algorand? And these are some of the factors which I just went through. So no slashing risk. So staked Algorand is not subject to slashing. Instead, unaffected nodes are algorithmically, if I can say that correctly, removed from consensus and simply forego rewards, which is really nice. No lockup period, which is massive. Low cost, you can literally run this with just a basic computer. So if you've got a computer or watching this on a computer, or even less, you don't even need that. We can see right here with 16 GB of RAM, which pretty much most computers have these days. And we can see right here, real-time rewards. This is the main thing. You get paid out actually every time a block is finalized. So we can see right here, rewards are paid out each time a block is finalized every 2.8 seconds, which is amazing. And your stake compounds automatically, which is great because compound interest, as you know, is one of the 8th wonders of the world. And Algorand are using that to hopefully make you more money this bull market. So the main one which I want to talk about is liquid staking. which is any algo amount. Liquid staking applications allow users to stake their algo while maintaining liquidity, which each platform is unique. The typical process asks users to deposit algo and mint new tokens that represent the ownership and the value of the stake algo, which can be used across the Deco ecosystem. So we can see here there are staking applications on Algorand, for example, X Liquid, Tynamine Liquid, and many different other ones. We simply just click it and you can connect your wallet and start staking today. So we can see right here APR around 6.71. So if you were to stake 100 algo or even 1,000 algo, you would get back 6 or 60 algo or 6.7 algo or 67 algo over the year. So I think it's a really, really good thing. And of course, if you do have a lot of altcoins and if you're looking for an altcoin to buy, specifically at these prices right here, if you can pick up some algo at these prices right here, below this kind of 30-cent range, or at least below 35-cent, staking it could really, really be very, very lucrative this bull market. And I think it's going to be a really, really good thing. We can see right here over on Folks, which I was talking about earlier right here, which is with Algorand, they have over $243 million locked already, available on many chains, including right there, we can see Algorand. So again, I think it's a really, really good thing which Algorand are doing. Liquid staking, again, is the one which I would be very, very interested in. Have your stake and need it too. You can have no lockups, payouts every 2.8 seconds. So honestly, it's pretty much one of the freest staking you could ever have, in my opinion. And I really think you should be paying attention to it, because not only the token price is very attractive right now, the foundation is good. As I mentioned before, they're having a massive plethora of different things going across the whole ecosystem. And also, the developments are really, really good. The dev side is really, really good with no downtime. I think, honestly, it's a no-brainer. So, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. As I said, I'll be buying Algorand. I'll be adding it to my portfolio. Also, I'll be staking it as well, because I think the staking rewards are just too juicy, exclude the pun. They are just too juicy to not partake in. And I'll have all the links down below, guys, of course, if you were interested in that. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.